Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you how to fix battery draining issues on this smartphone. So if your battery drains way too fast, the first thing that you can do is consider using power saving mode. To enable power saving mode, open settings, then go to battery, then go to power saving mode, and then you can either enable it manually by switching the toggle to the right, or you can turn it on at specified battery level by switching this toggle to the right and then select the battery level at which you want the power saving mode to enable automatically. If you don't want to use the power saving mode on your device all the time, then of course you should consider checking the battery usage by apps on your device. Well, unfortunately I cannot currently see the battery usage by apps, but generally speaking, in this on this screen you'll be able to check the list of apps and see which ones consume the most battery power on your device. And if you want to turn off background activity for this app in order to decrease their battery draining qualities of these applications, then go to the apps section in the settings, then go to app management, then select one specific application, and then select battery usage and disable background usage for such application. This way you will decrease this application's influence on your smartphone's battery. The next thing that you can do is lowering the screen brightness, which you can do if you enter display and brightness section. In order to decrease the screen brightness, you just have to manually move the slider to the left to the point where the brightness is lower, but you still feel comfortable with using your smartphone. Also, you can consider using dark mode by tapping right here, but if you don't like dark mode, you don't have to. But generally it just consumes less battery this way. Or you can just schedule the dark mode on your device by selecting schedule, then schedule, and then either select sunset to sunrise or set a custom timeline by choosing the start time and the end time for dark mode to be enabled on your device. Now also in display brightness, check if you have the screen attention mode switched on. So if this feature is enabled on your phone, then switch this toggle to the left to turn it off, and generally speaking, that's it for the display brightness. Also, the last thing I want to mention in this video is updating your device's software, which will also help your battery drain slower. In order to install an update the software update on your device, scroll down to the very bottom of the settings list, select system and update, then go to software update, and then check if you have any updates to install on your smartphone. And if you do, just tap download and install right here, and wait until the update is downloaded, installed, and once your phone is restarted, the changes will be applied. This way you will keep your software in touch with your hardware, which is always good for your battery and all of the other features on your smartphone. So that's how you can slow down the battery drainage on your smartphone. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.